Let's make some honey glazed chicken. Now, this particular recipe is very unique and sweet if you want that honey taste in your chicken. So I've been making different types of chicken, but this time around, my daughter wanted something different for school. So I decided, why not? Let me create a recipe as for that. So first things first, I'm going to be washing my chicken with salt. And after washing, I'm just going to hair dry this chicken. I want the old water out of it. So when I let it sit in the sieve for a while, I use paper towel to dry the chicken. Dry the chicken. Then I go ahead to add my soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 5 tablespoons of honey. Then I go ahead to add my curry. I go ahead to add my thyme, my pepper, that's my chili pepper, my black pepper, my thyme, salt and sugar. You can actually use brown sugar. So I mixed salt and sugar together in one bowl and poured it together. Then that is my Maggi. That's my seasoning cube. Then chicken seasoning cube was what I used for this particular recipe. I just used 1 cube and that is enough. This is my grated garlic. You can add nutmeg to this recipe, but tell me why I tried to find nutmeg in my kitchen. I realized it is finished, so I just had to make do with what I have. So more garlic, then you massage all of these together and let it sit in the freezer for 1 hour. Cover it up, and after 1 hour, you bring it out of the freezer, marinate it, massage it again, and return it to the freezer again. So after you do that, it is now time to fry your chicken. If you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel. That is the little support we are asking from you, as we drop recipes on this channel every day by 5 p.m. So there is always a new recipe on this channel every day by 5 p.m. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if there is any food, any pastry, anything you would want us to make. So for my frying, I'm just going to go in with my ginger and garlic mix. I'm just going to fry that. I'm going to saute that for a little bit and add my chili pepper, that's my black pepper. I'm going to just add that and fry that also for a little more. Then go in with my chicken. I'll fry it on one side. Then after it fries on the one side, I'm going to turn it to the other side and fry the other side again. Then I'm also going to go in with the remaining sauce. When my chicken is well fried already, the remaining sauce that came from the chicken, that's the honey, dark soy sauce, and all the spices sauce, I'm just going to pour that into my frying pan and let it boil for say 40 minutes on low heat, because I want it to suck the oil. I want it to suck the juice very well. And I want it to be properly soft, because my kids are eating this and they wouldn't be able to eat something that is too tough. So I'm just going to leave that on low heat for 40 minutes. Then after 40 minutes, I'm going to take it out and our chicken is ready.